Imagine you're planning a trip to a bustling city, eager to explore its hidden gems and experience its vibrant culture. You've found the perfect accommodations, but now you're faced with the hassle of juggling multiple bookings for tours, activities, and transportation. Wouldn't it be great if there was a single platform that could streamline your entire booking process? Today, we're diving into Bookafy, a popular online booking platform that promises to revolutionize the way we plan our trips. But the big question is, does Bookafy have an app? Before we get to the answer, let's take a closer look at what Bookafy offers. At its core, Bookafy is a comprehensive online marketplace that connects travelers with a wide range of service providers, including hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, tour operators, and more. One of the standout features of Bookafy is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time planner, navigating the platform is a breeze. You can easily search for accommodations based on your preferences, compare prices, and read reviews from other travelers. But let's get back to the burning question. Does Bookafy have an app? While Bookafy doesn't currently have a dedicated mobile app, it's still accessible on your smartphone or tablet through your mobile browser. Benefits of the mobile experience. Although there's no app, using Bookafy on your mobile device offers several advantages. Here are a few key benefits. On-the-go bookings. Whether you're waiting for your flight or exploring a new city, you can easily make bookings on the go using your mobile browser. Instant confirmations. Once you've made a booking, you'll receive instant confirmation via email, allowing you to plan your trip with confidence. Easy access to your itinerary. Your entire itinerary, including your bookings and travel details, is readily accessible through your Bookafy account, making it easy to stay organized. Addressing potential concerns. While the mobile web experience is convenient, some users may prefer the added features and functionality that a dedicated app can offer. However, Bookafy's mobile-friendly website is designed to provide a seamless experience, minimizing the need for an app. If you're concerned about data usage or connectivity issues, you can always download your itinerary in advance to access it offline. So, to answer the question, does Bookafy have an app? Not at this time. However, the platform's mobile-friendly website offers a convenient and user-friendly way to book your travels. If you're looking for a comprehensive online booking platform that allows you to plan your trips with ease, Bookafy is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.